everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we are working on my 1969 F-100. Today we are repairing the bed. Blake's gonna help me, because
I'm here, I'm back.
I haven't done this work in a while, so you ready?
Yeah man, let's kick some.
Let's do it.
Let's do it, dude. I like it.
I like it a lot. Oh, I should have got my chest mount while I was in there.
Make sure. You getting this?
I mean, it works.
Okay, it is work. It's gonna work. I'm telling you.
So we are now going to put body fill on this. Got everything sanded down with 80 grit, so now we're gonna come over here and put on this body filler. So let's put that on there and see how it goes.
Let's do this.
Yeah. So, yeah. Oh yeah.
I feel pretty good.
You're gonna need a lot, right? Maybe, I should have told you this before, but it may like go in like
So kind of like
almost flush with, yeah, like that.
Just like that?
Like that would be perfect.
Peel it back up just on the rear end of it.
Done.
Now we save ourselves the trouble of anything getting in there and getting on the seam sealer.
Let's start with that.
Sweet. Oh yeah, start with that. Wherever we end up would be great.
You're the professional here.
Hey everyone, we're excited to announce the launch of our new supporter website where you can head over, grab some new gear and merch to help support the channel, everything we do, the awesome and cool builds that we do. Head on over and grab you some merch.
Our collection includes everything from hats, t-shirts, hoodies, and accessories. By buying merch, you're not only showing your love for the channel, you're directly supporting the channel's content and builds of the series.
You can get your merch today at gearupyt.shop. Head over there, keep supporting the channel, helping us out with these amazing builds. As always, as you can see, we had a blast today filming in the mud. It was a great day. Head over, get some merch. Thank you for all of your support. We greatly appreciate it every day.
Update, what are we doing?
Okay, so with the shop being a little bit cooler, it says 59 degrees to 60 degrees. No matter the hardener you kind of put in, it's cold, it's gonna take a little bit longer to set up. So we've got the top section that we just laid kind of set up. It's solid. So we're gonna go ahead and wipe the bottom section. We're gonna go ahead and do that and probably call that for the night. But I mean, already wiping this is already a lot of progress made on this bedside.
For sure. And
we're attacking the most brutal, hardest part right now, which is your crevice up to your body line and then body line. So
yes,
it shouldn't be too bad. We're gonna get this spread, but yeah, that's the update. We're just moving right along, getting done what we can, and oh yeah, we're
setting up already. It is day 2. Blake is on his way out here. We spread this last night. It looks pretty dang good. I was not confident in my ability to do that, but he did pretty good. I'm Very impressed with what he did. He should be here in about an hour. So while I wait on him, I'm gonna hit some of the smaller stuff. So like dents. Yeah. Okay. And today I also went to the store and bought dust mask and some gloves because we were doing that without gloves and mask yesterday, and it was kind of brutal. So now I'm going to be sanding all of this down with 80 and do that. So let's do that.
Okay, so I've got this entire top edge sanded with 80. It's feeling really good, nice and smooth. As you can see, we pretty much built our body line. It's pretty straight. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with some 240 now. It all turned out pretty good, and we'll kind of get the camera and show you. It's pretty straight. It looks pretty nice. So we're doing pretty good. We're making good.
Okay guys, welcome back. It is another day. I have not been very good at picking up the camera lately. Me and Blake have done a lot of work to the truck on and off camera for the past few weeks after work and stuff like that. Some of the stuff that we have done to it is Blake has been working hard on that bedside. He's got that body line almost pretty straight. A few dents here and there on the bed we still got to work on, but that's gonna be simple compared to the whole rest of the bed. But like I said, he's been working hard on that. I went to LMC and purchased about $3,000 worth of new parts for this truck. So all that includes tailgate, grill, rear bumper, emblems, all that stuff, all the interior stuff. So I ordered a bunch of that, and there's plenty of stuff to do on the truck. I just want to get this video out there so you know you guys have an update on what I've been doing with the truck and stuff like that. So just got off of work today and painted the top portion for the grill, so I actually can get the grill onto the truck. The front end of this truck has not been done for about a year and a half, 2 years. Like I said, ordered a lot of parts. Blake's been helping me a lot. I want to thank you guys for watching the video. Like I said, there's a lot more coming up on this truck. Next video should be more of hopefully painting the bed, painting the tailgate, getting all the final touches on this truck. I just want to get this video out there so you have a little update on where's this truck at, where the truck is at, what is the progress that we have made on it. I've been slacking on trying to record, so I'm trying to record now. But yeah, so hopefully next video we have the bed, we can get the bed painted and film a lot more. I'm trying to get in the habit of filming more, so I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.